The OPPO F9 features a 6.3-inch multi-touch capacitive touchscreen smartphone and has a sleek design with rounded edges. It comes with an FHD Plus screen for a good viewing experience. The phone comes in 3 color options: Starry Purple, Twilight Blue and Sunrise Red. This phone has a 6 GB RAM for smooth multitasking and a 64 GB internal memory which can be expanded up to 512 GB. The OPPO F9 Pro has dual nano SIM slots. Both support 4G Volt capability. The phone comes with a 6.3-inch FHD Plus water drop screen for a complete immersive view, which makes it a great choice for entertainment and gaming. Unlock the phone instantly using the facial recognition or a fingerprint sensor. The phone features a 16+2 megapixel dual rear camera with multiple modes such as AI Beauty, Portrait Mode and Human Face Priority Exposure for professional quality photos. The 25 megapixel AI front camera lets you take perfect selfies under bright and low light environment. The OPPO F9 Pro runs on Android Oreo based Color OS operating system and has a MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core processor along with a Mali G72 GPU, which makes it suitable for gaming and multitasking. The VOOC flash charge technology helps you gain up to 2 hours of charge in just 5 minutes. This phone is powered by a 3500 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, battery, user manual, SIM card tool, case and a headset. The OPPO F9 Pro is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.